Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adrian Jaramillo. I'm 29, 25, 25 year old. I was born on May 1st from 1999 in Yarumal, same place where I live. I studied at Sena. Mm, there are three people in my family: my brother, my my mother, and me. Never also I also like the dog and cats, and am afraid of darkness. I enjoy listen listen listening and sing raps music in my free time in like sharing our time with my family and friends. In the future, my dreams job is to be an electrician because electrician ensure safe power and reliable operation of modern electrical system. The following presentation poster corresponds to the A1 Units 1 and 2. In this course, we will see different topics to learn how to make greeting, introduction, jobs, the alphabet, common object, and how to describe people. Ask questions, tell about family, the grammar, and how to use possessive adjective to describe family relationship, measurement, mathematical operation, and workspace communication for electrician. Well, that's for now. Thank you for listening, and I hope to learn more English. Goodbye.